you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here for something new. This is part of the Vanessa brand collection, and I have the TJ3 Kayo or Kayo, and she's in the color FF Violet. This is a human hair blend braided double part lace wig. So here's our lace parting area up here. That is really good. The parting space is great. The color is beautiful. Do you see that purple and black blend, honey? Yes, very good. So cap construction. There is one comb off to the side. There is no comb where the parting area is. No combs over here. Now there is a comb in the back, and there is also an adjustable straps, which is great. So I just want to give you another shot of that and a shot of the lace. The lace is very soft, and I think it looks actually good on my skin. But that color though, you guys. Here's our stock card, and she does come in other colors. She's very pretty. Yes, let's see what she looks like. All right, so now that I didn't cut the lace off, put my powder up there. Just want to show you guys what that looks like. And then now we are going to see what she looks like on. Yes, honey, I'm feeling myself. Yes, right out of the pack, some slay. Okay, she is beautiful. Now the texture, I thought it was gonna be yucky, but it's actually like a silky type yucky, and more on the silky part than the yucky, if that makes sense. She's gorgeous though. I'm not getting a lot of shedding as I'm running my fingers through, just a tatty bit, so not a lot, which is great. Yes, just running my fingers through it again. Yes, honey, trying to get that clip in the back. Yes, she's very gorgeous. Yes, very silky. This is a good wear to work type wig. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with that part up there and how I want to lay that part on my face. Just trying to figure out how I want to lay those curls. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous, you guys. Yes, look how pretty that looks. All right, so let's see what this back is looking like. Yes, so this is the back. She is full, but for me, I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't feel full enough when you push all the hair to the front. But as you can see, there's no gaps. So pros and cons, ladies. Pros and cons. All right, so now I'm going to get some freeze spray, and I'm going to freeze that part down. And then there's a hump right there that I don't know why that's there. That looks like super weird. I don't know. It's got to be coming from that braid, but it just looks weird. So here's my got to be freeze spray. I'm going to use some of that, and I'm going to spray her down. So make sure you spray her down really good. I'm just going through, and I'm going to use some more freeze spray and freeze her down again. Just trying to make sure that I get the areas that I didn't get before. Hi sweets, welcome back to my channel today. Shout out to my old subscribers, my new subscribers, and the people who clicked on this thumbnail. And for the ones who clicked on this thumbnail, think about subscribing and hitting that notification bell. All right, let's get into this video. So today, this is one of the Vanessa brand. And she is the designer lace, and she is TJ3 Kayo. I think it's Kayo and not Kayo, but anywho, I have her in the color FF Violet, and I got my lights turned up very high because I wanted you to see the real color of this wig. It is so pretty. It's not too far in your face to where you're like, I can only wear this on a weekend. You know, you can kind of put some glasses on, honey, and then kind of zoosh it up, and you can kind of wear this to work. Now, this is something I would actually wear to work with my little glasses on, okay? I showed y'all a couple pictures of me with my glasses on, so you can class it up. So she does have a triple J part, and as you will see from over here, the parting space is beautiful. I mean, there's no plucking, there's no nothing to do with that powder, that parting space. Put some powder in it and pretty much go. She's a kind of jump on and go kind of wig. I love that. And then she is heat safe, although it doesn't say how much. Oh, I'm lying. Yes, it does. It says 360 degrees heat safe, which is good. But on the stock card, if y'all can kind of see that, she kind of looks like she's got a yucky texture, but it's all silky straight. I think it would have been, now the wig is fire, don't get me wrong, but I think it would have been like on point if it would have been a yucky texture. This is silky, but not too silky to where it's just like too straight in your face. Yeah, I think if she would have been a yucky texture, I would have been even more excited about her. Just because some of the silky straight wigs can look too straight and kind of look just kind of stringy. But this one actually looks kind of good. So, I mean, pros and cons, y'all. Pros and cons. The other thing is this little side over here that you can just kind of swoop the dupe. Now, the density to me is a little bit slight low. I'm like thicker wigs, but this one, the density on it is not that great. It's kind of thin in the back. If I have all the hair kind of brushed to the front, then it's kind of very thin in the back. That part I don't like about it either. But I mean, with every wig, you're not gonna have everything that you want out of the wig, y'all. I mean, come on now. So just gonna get a little bit closer so y'all can see that parting space. As you can see in the beginning, there's like a hump right here, and I think that that's coming from that braid, and so that part feels kind of weird. But I mean, other than that, I mean, the parting space is beautiful and on point. Like I said, there's not much for you to do, but just kind of cut that lace off, put her on, and pretty much go. And this is the other side. Very pretty. And y'all better hurry up and go pick this up. This is not a new wig. It's just sometimes when I'm scrolling through YouTube and I'm just looking for new wigs that kind of catch my eye, I caught this one. This one came out like a year ago, and I'm surprised that I was still able to get it. But I got it. And this one I actually bought from Amazon. Amazon has a few colors left as well, and there's like Sam's Beauty, and there's like a few other sites that still have some different colors available if you want to go pick this one up, because this one is really pretty. I haven't seen a lot of reviews. I think it was like 2 or 3 reviews that I seen on this one, but this one is fire. I'm really loving this one. For one, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know I love me some purple, okay? But some of the purple wigs look a little costumey, and so you can't really wear them out. But this one, I would definitely wear to work and wear it out. Yes. All right, beauties, I'm back. So I finally got my other color. Now, there was supposed to be 3 colors, but honey, my package got lost. So, anywho, I did get the number 1, and I ended up going back on Amazon and just buying both of them from there. So I got the purple one from Amazon, and I had to pull this one from Amazon because the people who I previously purchased this through lost my package, okay? So this is the black, this is the natural. So what do you guys think? Yes. Told you the wig is pretty. Let me give you some of that scalp action. Okay. Yes, honey, she is a fire wig. And yes, you can't beat a half braided wig and then the hair comes out. That's just something that I haven't seen done like this. But I mean, this is gorgeous. I love the execution of the wig. It's very pretty. Very good for every day, or very good for evening out with your man, honey, or right about now, evening in with your man. So that's it for today, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one you like, the black or the purple. Leave some comments down below. I'll leave all the links down below. And again, until next time, I see you guys. Bye.